Okay guys, just a quick video on what I've done with my DeWalt tools. The battery pack, these are workshop bound tools, and the battery pack, which these are older, so they nickel metal hydrides, they're not lithium or anything like that, but it's an 18 volt system. I don't know if you can see there, 18 volts. And this comes in a pack of 3. So we've got the impact driver, the mini impact with the hex bits, and the drill, which is screwdriver bits and drilling function. And in order to get this functioning in my workshop and not to have to rebuild the battery pack, I removed the batteries. This is extremely light, you can see it flops around. And I've got my cable over there, and what I did was I took the batteries out. Obviously this fits into all 3 of these units, like so. Alright, and we've got an 18 volt system there. And I've got quite a bit of junk in the box. This is the original DeWalt box it came in. So we've got a 200 VA transformer, and we're in South Africa, so it's 220 volts to 18 volts output. And we have got, my LED doesn't work anymore, it's loose. We've got a bridge rectifier, so we're making DC out of that lot. You don't need to put a capacitor on here to smooth anything out. The circuitry in the DeWalt units already compensates for that. But that is on a very long cable going to my workbench. Just a quick trick.